I know that September has only just begun, but it is pumpkin fall season in my heart. So I'm making this pumpkin spice bundt cake with spiced cream cheese buttercream. This footage was filmed last year, so some of it is a little fuzzy and not the greatest, but I wanted to repurpose it. So this pumpkin cake is really easy to make, and it's so moist, it's so tender, it's packed with flavor. It is perfect for fall, for any kind of hangout, get together, dinner that you are having. It's warm, spicy, just all the fall feels in one bundt cake. And of course a bundt cake is so fall feeling as well. I've paired it with a spiced cream cheese buttercream that I kind of warm up a little bit in the microwave, pour it on over top, and I've also added some gold painted cherries just to make it even more elevated. Let me know if you try this recipe, and I hope you enjoy it.